Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this snow globe card with Edgeable dies. To create our base I'm going to use that beautiful Christmas Elegance, and for the scene I'm going to use a Way in a Manger Edgeable cutting die from Crafter's Companion. However, I'm going to use it in a different way that it is intended. To create our base, I'm going to use that Christmas Elegance and A4 card. And I'm going to put my card through my trimmer. And at the bottom, as you can see, there is A5 size. So I'm going to put my card there. And using my bone folder, I'm going to score it, then fold it, burnish. And yes, our base is ready to create our beautiful project. Super quick and easy. Now I'm going to put our cutting die, Christmas Elegance, and just make sure there is a gap at the top. So yes, we can have that fold at the very top. Super quick and easy, and yes, that will be perfect base for your project. Now I'm going to put the same cutting die, and I just make sure that I put it straight at the very bottom so I have that straight line. Now I'm going to use my scissors to fussy cut all those two elements, and this way it is super quick and easy and your card will be stunning, and I'm pretty sure no one has ever seen that beautiful card before. When this is ready, I'm going to do it the same with the background, and don't leave that beautiful scrap of paper because we're going to need it for any sentiments later on or smaller elements you can die cut. So leave that scrap piece of paper because yes, you can use it in the future. When our elements are ready, I'm going to die cut the same Christmas Elegance from 300 GSM card again, and this way I will make sure that all my elements are beautiful and professional. When we've got that beautiful die cut, yes, we can decorate it, and I thought it would be a really nice idea to use some metallic markers, so that's what I did here. I used Spectrum Noir Metallic markers for some extra contrast and shine. Do you like using metallic markers on your projects? If you don't have these, you can use metallic ink pads or even any inks and just add a little bit of color for extra shine. Actually, black color would work here perfectly fine as well. Just add a little bit of shimmer or clear overlay. That would be perfect as well. I actually might try it later on for some of my makes. Now, when this is ready, we have to decorate our background panel, and to do it I decided to use some distress oxide inks, and unfortunately they don't really fit in my frame. However, I'll tell you all the names of them. So I'm going to start with mustard seed, then I've got carved pumpkin, picked raspberry, wilted violet, and for the very bottom I'm going to use twisted citron and broken china. And as you can see, I'm using my ink blending tool to apply all those colors. The blending doesn't have to be perfect, but yes, it will have that stunning effect on your project. So if you have never ever created sunset scenes, this is the way to go. Super quick, easy, and yes, it will be that beautiful and gorgeous effect. Now, when this is ready, yes, we have to decorate our project even more. So yes, I'm going to use those beautiful Edgeable dies, and it will be perfect. I'm going to use that beautiful Away in the Manger. As you can see, I'm going to use those two beautiful Edgeable dies, and I'm going to die cut again from 300 GSM card. Just make sure you've got plenty of space at the bottom because we're going to layer them on top. And just to make sure your dies don't move when you put them through your die cutting machine, use a low tack tape. To color in all my elements, I decided to use some alcohol markers from my stash. In the description down below, I left the names of Distress Oxide inks and any other products. However, I decided not to put any alcohol markers I used because you can use whatever is in your stash. Even coloring pencils, watercolor pens, seriously, whatever you want. And I'm pretty sure every single project will be stunning. First, before I start adding any color, I'm going to use my pokey tool and scissors to get rid of all those small elements. And this way, here you have to make sure that your edgeable element, it is wider than your snow globe. because later on we're going to fussy cut the very bottom, and we are going to make sure that everything is beautiful. When you color in any image, I really encourage you to use 2 or 3 colors for each element. This way the colors will blend, and also you will have that organic look, which is absolutely beautiful, stunning, and it doesn't really take that much time. But trust me, in real life the effect is absolutely stunning. Actually, at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you lots of different ideas with edgeable dies I use with that beautiful Christmas Elegance cutting die. And if it is too quick for you, I also left the links to my social media, so you can check all those images on my blog and also on Instagram. So I really encourage you to have a look at those two, because I post all my projects there as well. Now, when you add the color at the very bottom, I think the best tip for you is to start with the darkest green, then middle green and lighter green. And this way we are going to have that beautiful dimension on your project. So yes, please use it, because it will really make a difference in your project. It will make it like 3D, super beautiful. And again, I'm using my alcohol markers to put all those colors on my images. And yes, our project is nearly done. The very last thing is to do to put your edgeables behind your snow globe. Use a pencil and draw that outline. And then if you have any pencil marks, use your eraser, get rid of the pencil mark, and yes, fussy cut the bottom and it will be perfectly done. Trust me, it is worth the effort. The effect in real life is just so gorgeous. I really hope this video will inspire you to create something similar. If not, just use any edgeables for your cutting elements. Or if you don't have this Christmas Elegance cutting die, you can also check my other videos where I created snow globe cards with a stencil. So yes, you can do it as well, because trust me, have a look at your stash. You definitely have lots of beautiful products you can use. And yeah, just do it. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would really love to see your amazing creations. And sharing is caring, so I would really love to see what you make. Now we have to assemble all our elements, and as usual I use my magic glue, one and only liquid glue, because it gives me that time to maneuver all those elements. And yes, I do have time to move the things, and it dries clear. Amazing, right? And all those elements will be adhered forever. As you can see, this is finished, and I really wonder, what do you think about that sunset scene and activity? Let me know, do you like it, or would you rather go with very dark sky? I'm really curious. When this is done, we just have to put our background panel on our cut base and our project is done. What I really like about this Christmas Elegance cutting die, that if you create a project like this, it stays really nicely on the flat surface. And yes, it has that 3D look, so it is always a win-win situation. Please let me know, what do you think about this project? And here, as you can see, I use 300 GSM white card and I die cut the sentiment. And to get rid of some of the excess of the glue, I'm using my hand, because I found it's always the easiest and the quickest way to do it. What do you think about the finished card? Would you like to give it a go? If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. Now you can see all the cards side by side, and I really wonder, which one is your favorite? Which one would you like to give it a go? As you can see, it doesn't have to be nativity scene. You can also use any edgeables like the snowman, for example. Here I also put some sentiments in Polish, which also says Merry Christmas. Please let me know which make is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video will inspire you to create any snow globe creation or project. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Happy crafting, and stay tuned for the next video.